Cybersecurity Update April 7, 2023. Phishing kits, lawsuits and hackers with a conscience. The growing threat of phishing kits on Telegram. Cybercriminals are increasingly exploiting Telegram channels to distribute phishing kits, according to cybersecurity firm Kaspersky. The Russian company found over 2.5 million malicious URLs in just 6 months. Telegram bots are also used to automate the process of generating phishing pages and collecting user data. These phishing pages are marketed on a subscription basis, with developers renting the kits for a monthly fee in exchange for updates. Microsoft takes legal action against Cobalt Strike misuse. Microsoft has joined forces with Fortra and Health ISAC to fight the illegal use of the Cobalt Strike tool by cybercriminals. Microsoft's Digital Crimes Unit has obtained a court order to remove pirated versions of Cobalt Strike, which have been weaponized by hackers to spread malware, including ransomware. By removing pirated copies, the DCU aims to disrupt attacks and force criminals to rethink their strategies. CISA alerts on critical ICS flaws in various products. The U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, issued 8 Industrial Control Systems, ICS, advisories concerning critical vulnerabilities in products from Hitachi Energy, SCADA Technologies, Industrial Control Links, and NEX. The vulnerabilities range from remote code execution to command injection bugs. CISA recommends users update to the latest software versions and isolate control system networks from business networks for added security. Fusion Core. A new European malware as a service crew emerges. Security firm Coerma discovered a group called Fusion Core, consisting of English-speaking European teenagers offering cybercrime services such as hacking for hire, ransomware, and malware as a subscription. The group, active since November 2022, also created a separate ransomware affiliate program called Anthra XXX Locker. Among the malware offered are Typhon Reborn, Apollo Rat, Kryptonic, and Sarin Locker. KillNet targets U.S. trauma centers with DDoS attacks. Pro-Russia hacktivist group KillNet has been targeting the U.S. healthcare and public health sector since December 2022. Most of the targeted organizations have one or more Level 1 trauma centers. The group coordinated around 90 distributed denial-of-service (DDoS) attacks in January, posing an ongoing threat to the healthcare sector. Emerging crypto hack trend: thieves give back stolen funds. Several cyber threats targeting digital assets and cryptocurrencies have been observed this week, as reported by the Information Security Media Group. In an unusual twist, a hacker responsible for stealing $1 million from Sentiment returned 90% of the stolen amount, following a white hat bounty trend. In another instance, a hacker exploited Allbridge's swap price function to steal $573,000 but later returned $465,000 as part of the same practice. In response to these threats, the BNB chain is improving its network, known as Plank, to strengthen security and prevent potential attacks. Other incidents include a malicious validator initiating an MEV bot attack to steal $25.3 million from Ethereum and cybercriminals employing a novel malware strain called Rylide to pilfer cryptocurrency. Lastly, Coinbase is in talks to settle allegations of insider trading involving former employees Ashan Wahi, Nikhil Wahi, and Samir Rahmani. Samsung's ChatGPT incident leads to leaked secrets. Samsung reportedly leaked its own secrets through ChatGPT, less than 3 weeks after lifting a ban on employees using the AI tool. The leaked information includes equipment measurement and yield data from the company's device solution and semiconductor business unit. The incident highlights the potential risks of using AI tools in sensitive industries. That wraps up today's cybersecurity brief. As always, stay safe, stay vigilant, and we'll see you tomorrow with our weekly roundup.